AIWO is one of China manufacturers of cheap laptops, which has kept on releasing more and more interesting product which are budget. Just like the AIWO i6 that was recently launched. AIWO i6 is a cost-effective tablet, equipped with a 15.6-inch 10-point IPS display, brings your photos and videos to life. Windows 10 OS ensures you more wonderful user experience. Powered by Intel Apollo Lake J3455 quad-core processor. Offers you smooth operation and stable multitasking experience. The AIWO i6 laptop runs on Windows 10 OS, which ensures you work and entertain with more excellent interface, compatibility and running effect. It accepts compatible cards up to 128GB for easy expansion.